Hi guys, welcome to another video and welcome to the CBS Automotive YouTube channel. My name's Amir and today we're going to be talking about this absolutely stunning Bentley Continental. So what we've done on this is a really nice upgrade. We've gone for a level 3 detail as well as a full interior clean. So what that consists of is quite a few parts to get it looking this beautiful. When the car came into us, the paintwork was in not great condition. Lots of swirl marks, lots of light scratches, and what we've done to eradicate that is quite an involved process. So first of all, as the car comes in, starts with a full inspection around it, and then we go for a decontamination wash, just to get that surface dirt off the car so we can start on the process. After that, we moved on to a 2-stage polish. That's a first cutting stage and then a finishing stage on top of that to really bring out the metallic paintwork in this particular Bentley. After that, we then go for a ceramic coating that we apply to the whole vehicle, including the glass, the bodywork and the wheels. So we get a really nice shine and a long protection from any dirt or grime that can get on the vehicle. Now moving on to the interior of the Bentley now, we've had to take some really special time on this and take a long time to get it perfect. So what we've done, we cleaned thoroughly all of that using steam cleaning and wet vacuuming and a combination of those two and other interior products to get the interior really clean. From then on, we use a leather protectant all over it, as well as protecting the soft top on this particular version as it's the convertible. What that leaves you with is an absolutely beautiful finished product of a Bentley Continental that is clean, that is protected and is polished up, living up to that Bentley name. And then also what we've done to this particular Bentley is give it a full all 4-wheel wheel restoration. So that's coming off, taking the wheels off, inspecting them, taking them back to their original metal and respraying in whatever color you want to go for. But in this case, we were just going for that factory finish shadow gray color. It's come out really nicely on this and makes the red calipers pop massively. And overall, that has come together to give a really nice finish on this Bentley. Overall looking better than it came out of the factory from. So if you're interested in getting this kind of work done on your car, give us a call or have a look on the website at the different packages and levels we offer for this sort of service. But thank you guys for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and I hope to see your car soon. Thank you.